Following the devastating landslides in Wayanad, climate change is back in the spotlight. Heavy rainfall amplified by climate change wreaked havoc in Kerala's Wayanad district, claims study. Scientists warn that such events will only get more common as our planet warms up. This is where a new tool comes in to help understand public perception better. The Yale Program on Climate Change Communication, in collaboration with Seawater, has released the first ever Yale Climate Opinions Map for India. This online tool breaks down what people across 34 of India's 36 states and union territories and 604 districts think about climate change. It's a fascinating look at how much we know, how much we care, and what we want to do about it. It depicts the variation in global warming knowledge, belief, risk perceptions, and policy preference at the national, state, and district level. Global warming refers to the idea that the world's average temperature has been increasing over the past 150 years and may be increasing more in the future, and that the world's climate and weather patterns may change as a result. This is the definition that the respondents were given before asking questions. So what do Indians really think about climate change? Let's dive into the survey results and find out. Number 1. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming is happening. According to the study, 82% of Indians believe that global warming is happening. That is a solid majority. States like Jharkhand, Kerala, Goa, Gujarat, and Haryana are leading the pack, while Maharashtra and West Bengal are a bit more skeptical. Number 2. Estimated percentage of adults who are worried about global warming. Turns out, 85% of us are worried about global warming. This concern is pretty consistent across states and districts, with Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, and Gujarat showing the highest levels of worry. West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh, not so much. Number 3. Estimated percentage of adults who know a lot or something about global warming. Nationally, only 41% of Indians say that they know a lot or something about global warming. More than half of the population is still in the dark about it. Tripura and Himachal Pradesh are more informed, while Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Maharashtra lag behind. Number 4. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming is caused mostly by human activities. Now here is where it gets interesting. While many Indians are worried about climate change, only 54% believe it is mostly caused by human activities. There's a big gap between concern and understanding. Kerala and Goa are more likely to blame humans, while Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh are less convinced. Number 5. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming will harm future generations. The study underscores that climate change is not just a present-day concern but a looming threat for future generations. Indians overwhelmingly believe that global warming will have severe impacts. Kerala has the highest percentage, with 87% people thinking that it will cause harm, whereas Karnataka has less percentage of people who think that climate change will cause harm to the future generation. Number 6. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming will cause more severe heat waves over the next 20 years. 74% of Indians think that global warming will lead to more severe heat waves. Hot states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Punjab have high percentage of people worried about heat waves. District-wise, South and West Delhi also have the highest percentage of people who think heat waves are caused by climate change. Delhi also faced severe intense heat waves this past summer. As per reports, India has recorded over 40,000 suspected heat stroke cases amid a prolonged heat wave in the summer of 2024. Karnataka has the least percentage of people who believe climate change will cause more heat waves. Number 7. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming will cause more severe floods over the next 20 years. Nationally, 61% people think that climate change will cause more floods, with Punjab leading the concern. Karnataka has the least percentage of people who believe that. This monsoon, several cases of loss of life and property were reported in North and Northeast India. Kerala too faced the wrath of floods and landslides. Number 8. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming will cause more severe cyclones over the next 20 years. Nationally, 70% people think that climate change causes cyclone. Number 9. Estimated percentage of adults who think global warming will harm plant and animal species. A whopping 81% of people think that climate change will impact plants and animal species. Haryana, Punjab, and Uttarakhand are the most concerned, while Karnataka is at the bottom. Number 10. Estimated percentage of people who think India should use less fossil fuels in the future. Despite the worry, there's a hesitation to switch to electric vehicles or other alternatives. Nationally, 58% of Indians think we should use less fossil fuel. Andhra Pradesh is the least convinced, while Gujarat, Goa, Punjab and Haryana are ready for a change. Yale's new study gives us a detailed look at India's climate change perception. It is clear that while many are worried and want action, there's still a lot of work to be done in terms of awareness and willingness to change. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today So South.